Two-factor authentication not working on NZX Mobile App Fix. If your two-factor authentication isn't working on the NZX mobile app, it can be stressful, especially when you need to check your portfolio or make a trade. But don't worry, the fix is easier than you might think. The most common cause of failed authentication is a time synchronization error. Two-factor codes are based on exact timing, and if your phone's clock is even a few seconds off, your codes won't match the app servers. Go to your phone settings, turn on Set Time Automatically, and verify your time zone. Then, open your Authenticator app and tap Time Correction for codes, followed by Sync Now. Next, make sure both your NZX mobile app and your Authenticator app are fully updated. Developers frequently patch security and login issues in updates, and running an older version can cause code mismatches. If you're not getting your SIM's verification code, toggle airplane mode for a few seconds, switch networks, or restart your phone. Sometimes your carrier delays messages due to network congestion. If you've changed phones or reinstalled your authentication app, you'll need to reset your phone through the NZX platform. On the login page, select Can't Access phone and follow the recovery steps. You may be asked to verify your identity before setting up new authentication on your current device. Here's something you might not know: storing your backup recovery codes offline can save you from getting locked out completely. Keep them in a secure place for emergencies. So, if your two-factor authentication isn't working on the NZX mobile app, don't stress. Sync your time, update your apps, and refresh your connection. With these simple fixes, you'll be back to tracking your investments securely and without interruption.